Good morning, students. Myself, Bhubaneswar Sharma. I am going to start the subject of satellite communication. In chapter 2nd, there is one topic of altitude and orbit control system. Now we will discuss about altitude and orbit control system. Altitude and orbit control system is represented by AOC. AOC subsystem has two parts, altitude and orbit. So, while designing satellite, two important issues we have. That first of all, we have to control altitude, then we have to control orbit. Now, one by one, we will discuss what is altitude control subsystem and the orbit control subsystem. Now, first one is altitude control subsystem. In altitude control subsystem takes care of orientation of satellite in its respective orbits. Now, altitude have the following methods to make the satellite: spinning the satellite. Second one is 3-axis method. Now, what is spinning the satellite? Spinning the satellite is the body of satellite rotate around its spin. It can be rotated up to 3200 rpm in order to provide a force. Satellite or of this type is called spinner. Now, 3-axis method. 3-axis method, we can stabilize the satellite by using one or more momentum wheels. This method is called as 3-axis method. The advantage of this method is that there is no need of rotating satellite. Now, we have a figure where we have the earth center, the roll axis, rotation and pitch rotation. Now, X R, Y R, Z are the two rolls and pitch axis respectively. 3 axes are defined by reference point. X, Y, Z are Cartesian axes. Now, in this method, the first gas jet will be operated for a period of time and second will be operated for a period of same time. Now, next is your orbit control subsystem. Orbit control subsystem is useful in order to bring the satellite in the correct orbit. Whenever the satellite gets deviated from its orbit, then the TTCM subsystem present at the Earth monitor the position of satellite. If there is any change in satellite orbit, then it sends the signal during the correction to the orbit control system. It resolves the issue by bringing the satellite into the correct orbit. In this way, this subsystem, altitude and control, takes care of satellite position, and this is very important.